Hey, what's up everybody? This is GeekyAviseq's once again from here in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a 5G. So Google Fi or FI just posted a deal for Black Friday where they were taking $200 off. So the phone was available for $299 after a $200 discount, so I decided to order it, and the box just got delivered. It was supposed to get delivered yesterday, but I was not at home, so FedEx left the door tag and I missed it. But finally I got it today here on Monday. Just took them like 3 or 4 days to get it delivered. So it got shipped from Carrollton in Illinois and here in Dallas, Texas. So it took about 3 or 4 days. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in there. And there's the box for the Google Pixel 4a. It's still sealed. Let's focus on it. So it's the 4a 5G. 5G is sub 6.2 inch screen, 128 gig storage. It just comes in one color, just black. And let's go ahead and open this and see. Here's the phone. Seems a little bit dusty. Wow. Yeah, and so many smudges. It kind of looks odd for a new phone. Let's see what else is in the box. So it says some paperwork from Google and SIM ejector tool, and then the 18-watt fast charger, USB-C to USB-C cable, and that dongle. Okay, so I'll leave that aside. Let's peel this off from the phone, and there's your Google Pixel 4a 5G. Actually, I had previously reviewed the Google Pixel 4a, the regular version, and it's a great phone for $350. But I wanted something little bit bigger, and I think the 4a 5G meets is better suited to my needs. I didn't want it the Google Pixel 5, even though it's more premium, because it's a smaller phone. So let's go ahead and boot it up and see. As you can see, the bezels are pretty much uniform all across. The bottom one is slightly thicker than the top, but it's barely noticeable. And the back is again that matte black finish. It's pretty good. I mean, you can wipe off the fingerprint, and then you have the dual camera module now that they have included the wide angle camera on the back. So that's all, guys. That's pretty much. But before I close, I'll just go and show you what's in the back. So dual firing stereo speakers, and then USB-C port, and then you have the volume rocker and the white power button. It's pretty nice for the power button to be in a different color, and it's white. So and then on the top you have the microphone, and then you have a 3.5mm jack. So that's another thing that I chose the Pixel 4a 5G. The 4a and the 4a 5G has a 3.5mm regular audio jack, which is absent in the more premium Pixel 5, and then obviously the Pixel 5 is much smaller. And then you have the same ejector tool. The main difference is in the screen size, the high refresh rate, and the premium build quality on the Pixel 5 over the 4a. So this is missing that. I mean, the 4a 5G doesn't have wireless charging, doesn't have IP67 water and dust resistance, has a plastic build, but the processor and the cameras are identical. Also, in terms of screen, this is only 60 Hz, so no high refresh screen, just like the Pixel 5, but it also does have a bigger battery. So, and it has got 6 gigs of RAM compared to the 8 gigs on the Pixel 5. So overall, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try this phone and see how it does. So I had always preferred it over the Pixel 5. That's all, guys. That's pretty much everything for this quick unboxing. I will set it up and then post a detailed review. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot. Also, if you like this video, do hit the like button. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to share that in the bottom, and I'll try to respond as much as possible. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.